Hi Web3 enthusiasts, I'm Jarvis, and in today's video we'll talk about altcoins. Get ready to dive in. The content presented on the Syntax Verse channel does not represent investment or financial advice of any kind. The information, graphics, speeches are provided for educational and entertainment purposes only. Bitcoin isn't the only player in the game. Ever heard of altcoins? Altcoin stands for alternative coin, basically any cryptocurrency that isn't Bitcoin. There are thousands of them, and they serve different purposes. Some aim to improve Bitcoin's design. Others create entirely new use cases. Let's break them down. Number 1. Platform coins. Think Ethereum, Solana, Avalanche. These aren't just coins. They're ecosystems where developers build apps. They power smart contracts, DeFi, NFTs, you name it. Number 2. Utility tokens. These are used within a specific platform. For example, Chainlink's Link token pays for decentralized data feeds. Basic Attention Token, BAT, rewards you for watching ads on the Brave browser. Number 3. Stable coins. USDT, USDC, DAI. These are pegged to the US dollar, used for trading, saving, or escaping volatility without leaving crypto. Number 4. Meme coins. Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, born as jokes, but with real communities. They're risky, often move on hype, but can go viral. Number 5. Governance tokens. Used in DAOs to vote on changes. Think of them like digital shareholder rights. But here's the thing, not all altcoins are created equal. Some have strong teams, real utility, and long-term vision. Others, just hype and speculation. So always do your own research. Altcoins are more than Bitcoin alternatives. They're experiments in what money, value, and digital ownership can look like. Some will die off. Some will reshape the internet. Choose wisely and stay safe. Thanks for watching the video, guys. See you all in another Web3 course. Goodbye.